Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Douglas. You're really bad at this whole camera thing. Are you gonna say hi? Are you gonna say hi? Douglas, come on. Can you stick your tongue out like Mom? Can you go like this? Can you do that? Try it. Try it. That's funny, huh? Douglas, quit staring at the camera. You gotta act normal. Yes. Are you ready to eat some dinner? Yes? Are you ready to eat some dinner? Do you want to eat? Yes? No, you want to play? Ouch! You kicked me. Really? Wow! You're being silly. What are you talking about? Really? Uh-huh. Can you stick on your tongue like Mommy? Douglas, quit looking at the camera. Act normal. Act natural. Just like that. Can you stick your tongue out? Douglas, quit looking at it. Can you stick your tongue out? Stop it. You're being silly. Alright, say bye. Say bye to everybody. Say bye. See you later. Time to eat. Bye. Really? You're being silly. Alright, you ready to eat? Let's eat. Say bye.